Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tang. I specialize in providing automation tools for platforms like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Today, I'll show you how to automatically post to multiple Facebook groups at the fastest speed. First, we need to add the content we want to post into the software. To do that, go to Content Management and add your post content there. Once we have the content ready, go to Post Feature Group Posting. Next, set up the posting time configuration. Select the content you want to post. Here, I'll choose to post to the groups that the account has already joined. Then, configure the number of posts per group. And make sure to avoid posting to the same group from multiple accounts to prevent duplication. You can also interact before and after posting, such as leaving comments or your contact information. Finally, select your accounts and click Start. The software will automatically post to all the groups you want. If you're looking for a tool like this, feel free to contact me. All my contact details are below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support me.